Hi guys, so if you want to change the format of your photos on your iPhone, you do this. Now, if I go to camera here, then just take a picture of the ground, then click on the photo which I've taken and click on the information icon there. You see that my photo format is HEIF by default. So HEIF is my photo format there. I think you can all see, right? Now, if I want to change this, I'll just go to settings, then under settings scroll down to camera right here. Under camera you see an option there that's formats. Then on formats you see there are two different types here. So also an explanation: to reduce file size, capture photos in HEIF, then most compatible, use JPEG. So if I change to most compatible like this, you can see it has changed. Then come back to my camera, take a picture. Then from that picture, click the information icon there. You see that it's now JPEG like that. So to compare the two photos, of course, you see this one is 3.6 megabytes. And that's the dimensions right there. Then the previous photo, which used HEIF, is 3.5 megabytes and those same dimensions. So this one is slightly smaller, as they had said before. So basically, this is how you change the photo formats on your iPhone. And if you want more tips like this, then make sure you subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.